Hey guys, hope everyone is well. It is Thursday, May 9th. It's currently about 3 o'clock Eastern Time. I'm making some updates to the pre-orb chart, the one that was kind of Alpine Trader inspired. I made some edits to the box settings, and I've finally got it, I think, right now, so that the box stops populating at 3:30. Excuse me, at 9:30. Boy, I'm telling you, this cold has really got me loopy. Um, I did take the trade today. I decided to use price action concepts with it instead of just following the rules today. So I decided I would enter at 200.50 because I thought that we were going to go down today, and I was worried about being ticked in and then it go down without me. And so I didn't follow the rules. I should have entered above the box here at 205, and I would not have been triggered on the long. The short was triggered, and it did work. So I failed today on the orb trade, but I'm still in sim, and the trade was successful for everybody who took it and followed the rules. So anyway, so I made that change on this. I also added this pretty cool toolbar. You can just hold your mouse over each thing and it'll tell you what everything is. But some neat little tools up there for you. So, and I have this set on. I'm gonna switch. I've been doing 1 minute candles, but I don't like that. So I'm gonna switch to Renkos for this morning trade on my end. You guys should use whatever you feel works best. I just prefer Renkos. It's so much smoother. Look how this looks compared to this. Is horrible. I've got these Orencos here. I want to go here. Let me find that box again. Where did you go? There we go. Anyway, I just prefer Renkos, so I'm going to switch on in the morning. I've been live streaming this in the Discord every day. I'm going to continue to do that. I don't personally take any trades, usually until after 10 o'clock, but so I have time to do it, and it's fun to do, so I'm going to continue. Today was a winner. I messed it up, but today was a winner. If you're taking this trade, I really hope you're doing it in sim. If not, please do not bust your account on one trade. It's a terrible, terrible risk management strategy. If you got tagged in here, you know, I cut the trade at 1600, which is longer than I really should have. You know, once we cross below the 50, I should have known better. So I'm just looking at this, and you know, we broke the channel here. We went up a little bit, we came down, and you got your target. But you also had all these additional entries if you wanted to take scalps. So the red EMA is the 50 EMA, and the blue one is the 10. And when the red line is above the blue line, it's always in short. And when the blue line is above the red line, it's always in long. And you could take these pullback entries. I think they're safer when they're pulled back to the red line. Here, like see here and here. You know, the closer to the red line, I think the better. But then this one didn't work. So I would say, I mean, my general rule when I'm trading is I only take the first three pullbacks, right? So we got to move up. Here's 1, 2, 3. I don't take more than 3 in a run. I wait for a major pullback, you know, where we make a lower low. So, anyway, I just wanted to kind of share that update. So I've added an indicator in the Google Drive here. Let's see, we got folders. we are looking for chart templates. Here's the 15-minute pre-orb trade that's different from the 20-minute orb strategy trade, which was also good today. So you want to install this indicator here, Pat's toolbar. Just reinstall the template and reload it on your chart. You should be good to go with the changes. You also might, if you want to use the Rankos, it's just going to be in the regular indicators. Here we go. You want to look for the Obsidian Orenco pack. This one right here is what you want to install for that guy. And then you could install those bricks too. Generally, I trade on 820. Here's the data settings. I trade on 8, 20, and 40, but you could do 5, 10, and 20. You know, play around with the brick settings. You know, basically, I usually stick to 10 and 20, but I'm using the settings for gold. But this looks okay here. You can just play around with the settings. When we're slow, the smaller bricks work better. But if we start getting a lot of movement, these smaller bricks will be too fast. So, you know, then you might want to go to 8, 20, and 40. But yeah, I mean, you could see when the trend changed here. It's very, very simple, clean chart. You do have the daily pivots on there, so make sure you have 10 days. And let me just show you the changes I made on that IB indicator.
Order canceled.
Here we go. So I changed, these are the change. I just changed the time settings here. So, and then you could change the colors to whatever you like. So now moving on to the second orb trade, the 20-minute, I'm calling it the 20-minute orb trade. Basically, we're taking the range 15 minutes pre-market and the 5 minutes post-market and making a range from there and taking the breakout. Yesterday, it was a great trade. Today, it was also a great trade. So I just wanted to show that. This is my personal trading chart. I know it's a little busy. I put the orb box on this chart because I was just getting confused with too many charts. Like, I'm already over here trading on 2 different computers. So I have 2 laptops. I trade my personal and my main funded accounts on one laptop. And then I trade a couple of my funded accounts and my evals on this laptop that I record. So, you know, I had a lot going on. So, and I didn't trade my personal accounts this week because I'm sick and, you know, I'm trying to finish these evaluations. So I just think it was a little too much, you know. But I did finally hit the target today. Bring my P&L over here. I'm over the goal for take profit finally. So I'm done with that one. I don't know how long it takes them. Today actually is my 5th day. So I should be able to convert that to a PA tomorrow. I'm still working on the Bulenox, and somebody posted a 90% off option 2 contract coupon code on the Discord. So I'm going to sign up for another one. So this one is end of day calculating. It counts your unrealized gains, but the option 2 is an end of day calculating, and it does not count unrealized gains against you. So but Bulenox is weird. They only let you like activate 1 PA at a time. So I'm just going to take that one other account. So we'll just keep the 2 here. But I'm off to a good start. I'm up to 1,300 on this one. I have reset the orb account because I messed up again today. I'm going to just stick to the rules and not, you know, I'm just going to take the trade the way it's supposed to be taken. I have reset. I'm killing it on gold. I messed up on gold yesterday. I got stopped out like 4 times in a row. It was brutal. But I'm good today. Today I have a lot of profit in gold, so I'm getting better with that. I'm still going to continue. I don't feel comfortable enough with it yet to switch it to my real money, but I feel like I'm getting better. I'm learning it. You know, I've traded ES for a long time. I know where it stops and goes, and same with NQ. I don't really know gold like that yet, so until I do, I'm not going to switch to real money, but it's, you know, I come back in the afternoon and I just trade gold. So, you know, that's what you do when you're learning, you practice. So I'm up to like 200 grand. I'm doing pretty good on that one. And Sim 101 here, I'm just taking NQ trades in the afternoon. I don't, you know, once I hit my targets on my accounts, I don't trade them anymore And sometimes I'm sitting here and I like trading, so I just, practice and sim. Or I practice different setups or whatever. So anyway, I'm going off on a tangent here again. But I just wanted to show this orb worked. I did not take this trade today. I did not like my 3 amigos were not aligned, so I didn't get in that trade. I did take, I think, the long here. I think I got in the long here and I wrote it up here to get my account qualified today. I took the trade on the live Discord, so Vance was out today. So he's also sick. They said they're gonna quarantine the friggin' Discord live. But so I stayed in for a while. Just took those 2 trades. Again, I'm pretty sick this week, so I'm just keeping it low key. I just wanted to quickly state that I am not a breakout trader, and these strategies are breakout trading strategies. And it's good to remember that most breakouts fail. And especially when you're in a strategy with a very poor risk to reward setup, like certainly the morning one is, you can get a nice swing on the second orb. That's more my speed, but I'm not really a breakout trader, so I'm learning as we go too. I've made some mistakes. I'm telling you about them so that you don't make those mistakes, but not following the rules, entering too early. I've not been entering on time for the 9:30 trade, so hopefully those corrections to the box size will fix that. But again, I don't recommend these strategies. I'm just helping the community in Discord because they're interested in implementing some of these setups into their trading plan. So I'm trying to help come up with like a good setup for this. So these are my best efforts so far, but this is a testing phase. Please remember that you should always test any strategy you're interested in sim. Do your own forward testing. Make sure it's profitable before you take it to real money. Okay guys, that's all I've got for this video. In the video description, you're going to find links to my Google Drive. I've got that opened right here. In that drive are all the free indicators. There are chart templates for you, copies of my personal charts, and a lot of books and material on trading free for you. If you're interested in joining the Discord, please send me or leave a comment. I go live in the Discord every morning for the orb trade, and then one of our members, Vance, goes live for most of the day. I can see they're still in the live channel from today. So there's lots of indicators. There's lots of learning materials in here. Everything is organized. I post every day the daily expected and volume profile levels. So there's a lot of information in there. If you want access to that, just leave a comment below. Thank you again for liking and subscribing and supporting my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.